Sea level rise is a major issue in Fiji, and it causes damage to infrastructure, especially along the coast, and saltwater intrusion into the farms, particularly communities that live near the coast. And it's also very sad for communities to leave behind their villages and their cultural heritage, the graveyards of their ancestors and their land, and then relocate elsewhere and having to start life from scratch. This is Tukuraki village in Ba province. They were originally located further ahead, but due to heavy rains and landslides, they had to relocate to this new village.
It was heavy that night, all that night, till in the morning. It was the landslide, and one family gone passed away, all the family.
So how did you feel leaving behind that place and coming to this new place?
We never knew that it happened. It's like shock. And we moved to the new village. Before, our great-great-parents and great-great-grandfathers, they lived there. When we moved, our children were asking, what happened, father, mother? We can't tell all the stories. Because some of our father and mother and our great-parents passed away from there.
It is getting more frequent now. We are at Namoli village in Ba province, where a seawall has been constructed to protect these communities from sea level rise and storm surges. Through having a row of mangroves, boulders, and then soil stabilized with rows of vetiver grass. Nature-based seawalls provide both protection from the storm surges and the ocean, but also provides habitats for animals and plants, and also captures carbon.
I live here the whole of my life, and I want my grandchildren and my great-grandchildren to live here too. The restoration of the mangroves will protect us from the sea level rise. We don't want to move from here. That's why we thank the government and the other organizations for their help. We have to work together as a community because it's a matter of life and death.
The processes of accessing climate finance is quite complex, and that's why Commonwealth Secretariat is deploying climate finance advisors to countries like Fiji.